Hi there! Are you having difficulties understanding the stock page on the Bamboo app? Here's a quick guide to help you. When you click on a stock, it pulls up information about that company. That information is typically divided into 3 pages: About, Financials, and News. If you already own the stock, there will be a 4th page called Ownership. You can easily swipe between pages to see the information in each one. For example, let's use Apple. On the About page, the first thing you see is the company logo and the price of the stock. Below that, you'll see if the price of Apple has changed on that day. It also shows you by how much and by how many percent. There's a note to tell you if the market is closed at the time and when next it will be open. Just below this, there's a graph that shows you the performance of Apple over different time frames: a day, a week, a month, and even up to 5 years. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's talk about this graph and the cool things you can do with it. First off, you can tap anywhere on the graph, and as you glide across, you'll notice that the price on the page changes. It changes to reflect the correct price for the date and time you tapped on. On to other features of the About page. As you scroll down, you can try out cool features like comparing the stock to another one and setting up a price alert. To learn more about how to compare stocks and the price alert feature, you can check out some of our other videos. Finally, if you scroll further down the About page, you can see general information on Apple. Let's swipe right to the Financials page. Here you find useful financial data about Apple. Data like its PE ratio, market capitalization, trading volume, and more. You can click on the green icon beside the stats for their definitions. Remember that if you already own the stock, there's an additional page called Ownership. Well, here you can find out how many shares you own, the current value of your investment, the average price you paid for your shares, and your portfolio diversity. Portfolio diversity means what percentage of your entire portfolio is made up of the stock. The Ownership page also allows you to see the return you have made today and your total return since you bought it. This could either be a profit or a loss. Hopefully in your case, it's a profit. And just like the Financials page, if you need to understand what any of the information on the page means, you can click the green icon for your definitions. The last page is for news. Here you can view the latest news articles about Apple. You can click on an article to go directly to the news site and read all about it. And there you have it, everything you need to know about the stock page. See you in the next video.